Hello everyone, my name is Mehak, honors roll number 15, and today my topic is various HR issues in an organization. So, an organization's HR department faces multiple HR tasks daily, like recruiting new employees, retaining and engaging existing ones, providing up to date training and benefits, etc. All this is easier said than done, and HR problems commonly arise. Luckily, HR professionals have access to tools and techniques that can help solve a variety of human resource issues. Let's discuss it now. So our very first issue here is compliance navigate laws and regulations. The list of compliance laws and regulations is a mile long. Employers must pay workers at least the minimum wage for all hours worked as well as time and a half of overtime while keeping detailed records. HR teams not only has to make sure they are following rules, they have to track and update and ensure all the job postings including the required wording. So here our next issue is recruiting the best talent or the best practice. Recruiting candidates require a lot of work, including evaluating what skills and qualifications are necessary for the position, developing an accurate job description, advertising to the right candidate, etc. All this occurs before the interview stage even begins, and if they didn't get a good pool of qualified applicants, they must start the entire process again. So our next issue for today is employee retention. Losing an employee, whether by termination or registration or resignation, can cost employers a lot to hire a new employee. The costs are associated with recruiting, hiring a new employee, plus any overtime paid to workers covering the workload. When employees start walking out the door or terminated, the ones that remain can get disengaged and start looking for work elsewhere. So the other issue now is workplace diversity. Workplace lacks diversity. It only hires the same type of people with same ideas. The problem is it could be illegal, especially if you don't have valid reasons for rejecting candidates who are women or people of color. Racism can continue to exist as a subtle undercurrent in our society even when the most well-meaning among us aren't aware of it. Therefore, we can't just assume that we don't do anything bad. A lack of diversity can also stifle your company's ability to be creative and innovative. So today the next issue is training and compliance. Employees aren't excited to sit through mandatory training sessions like sexual harassment prevention training. The content isn't so engaging. No one participates and you can't validate that everyone has taken the training or signed off on it. So now the next issue here is overcoming software issues. Your HR software is slow and clumsy. It doesn't update like it should be or automate the process that slow down your HR department. HR software that is time consuming and lacks mobile capabilities will likely cause many candidates to drop off the application process without finishing. Another HR software issue to contend with is being stuck with a system that your company has quickly outgrown. So the last issue for today's video is compensation and benefits. The HR department is too swamped with open enrollment and making updates to employees' personal circumstances to track when an employee has met a milestone. Your benefits process is also riddles with error due to manually inputting employee data, putting you at risk to meet deadlines and maintain compliance. So these were the few issues in HR department. I hope you understand it and thank you so much.